Hi, in this video session, I'm going to explain extra questions of trigonometry. In previous video, we completed 18 questions. So from 19th question onwards, in this video, I'm going to explain. In this 19th question, prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 equal to, sometimes they are asking here up to here secant theta plus tan theta, or up to here 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Simple, this is 1 by cos theta, this is sin theta by cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, that is the final. Now we are going to take LHS part. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So we are going to disturbing this numerator only, because we are using secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This one we are using. So in the place of 1, only numerator. So tan theta minus secant theta, plus secant theta minus secant square theta minus tan square theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. This is denominator. Now this is a square minus b square form. You can rewrite this one also. Secant theta plus tan theta minus this a square minus b square. Secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta whole by this denominator, tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So I am using here identity, trigonometric identity. 1 plus, in this 1 plus I use the secant square theta minus tan square theta. So after that a square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. So that I am going to take this a plus b common. So secant theta plus tan theta common, square brackets. So this part is coming outside, means it is 1 minus this part come back. So here secant theta, put it in a bracket, so because minus is there, that's why you put in brackets. Keep it in brackets. Now divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal. Now open this inside brackets, this bracket. So minus secant theta minus into minus plus. So secant theta plus tan theta. So 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta whole by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Please see, these two are equal because tan theta plus tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. So these two are same. You can cancel it. So first answer is secant theta plus tan theta. Suppose if they are asking continuation, 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So LCM is same, cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta. This is answer. This is 19th question. In these two questions, cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta, and this question 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to, answer, cot theta minus cosecant theta whole square. Otherwise sometimes they are asking square root of, here there is no square, they are putting here square root of. And in this question, cot theta minus tan theta equal to cos theta by sin theta, because the answer is in the sin theta cos theta, that's why we change it into cos theta sin theta. So sin theta by cos theta. So already I explained a by b minus b by a square minus b square by ab. This is the formula what we are using. So cos square theta minus sin square theta by sin theta cos theta. Here 2 cos square theta is there, so remove the sin square theta here. How? So cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta, because in the place of sin square theta we are applying identity. So denominator is same, sin theta cos theta. So open the brackets, cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta. So final answer is cos square 2 cos square theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. This is 20th question answer. So 21st solution, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. LHS we are taking. So we are taking this conjugate of denominator, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square, a minus b into a. This is a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So 1 square, that means 1 cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta. So denominator and numerator having whole square, that is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. So you are going to split the fraction, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. So cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. But already we know that a minus b whole square equal to b minus a whole square. This is the formula. Both are same. So that we are using cot theta minus cosecant theta whole square. Another method also there. You take RHS same, in reverse you are going to, like this, cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. So that cos theta minus 1 by sin square theta will come. So like that we are going to rechange, we come back like this. So take RHS, we come back to LHS, or LHS to RHS. Anywhere to anywhere we can do it here. In these two questions, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta, and secant theta minus tan theta whole square equal to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. This square go to that place means square root also there. Square root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Now, first question, solution. I am taking LHS, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. That means these two you are going to split into two parts, tan square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2, that's why. Tan square theta plus 1 means it is nothing but secant square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 means cosecant square theta. So secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. So 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. So LCM is cos square theta into sin square theta. So sin square theta, 1s are sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1s are cos square theta. So 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. Split this fraction, 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sin square theta. So cos square theta means secant square theta and cosecant square theta. This is RHS, like this. So you can do another method also, sin by cos, cos by sin. LCM is like this. So it will come sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. So whole square part will be there. That's why you can write it 1 square and it will come. but it little bit of lengthy. That's why I am going to change this to split into two parts. We get this answer. And next one is solution. So LHS secant theta minus tan theta whole square. So sin theta. So that you convert into 1 by cos sin by cos theta whole square. So LCM is cos theta. So 1 minus sin theta entire, this is the whole square. So 1 minus sin theta into that is whole square, better cos square theta. Cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square theta. Previous sum like this. So here we are going to split into two parts, 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So these two are cancelled. Don't try to cancel directly. Okay, split that denominator numerator separately and do cancellation, because these are the trigonometric ratios. So 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Here we are going to change 1 by cos, sin by cos. So after that we are taking that LCM cos theta, both are same, LCM is so 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole square. So 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus sin square theta. This is cos square theta means 1 minus sin. So this is a square minus b square. This is a minus b whole square. So a minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a plus b. So these two are cancelled. A minus b part are cancelled. So remaining, that is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is the answer. In this 24th question, cot beta minus tan alpha by cot alpha minus tan beta equal to tan alpha into cot beta. In this LHS part, we are going to change any either cot or tan. Either cot or tan. We are going to change into tan or cot. Here cot beta minus tan alpha by cot alpha minus tan beta. You can change it to cos by sin, sin by cos. But problem is little bit of lengthy. So 1 by tan beta minus tan alpha by, this is tan alpha minus tan beta. So tan beta into tan alpha, so 1 minus tan alpha tan beta by tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta by tan alpha. Here denominator, sorry, numerator and denominator में numerator both are cancelled. Here 1 minus tan alpha tan beta by tan alpha into, this is reciprocal, so tan alpha by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So these two are cancelled. 1 by tan, sorry, this one is tan beta. So 1 by tan beta means cot beta, this is tan alpha. So rewrite tan alpha into cot beta. This is RHS. So this is RHS. You can write RHS. So cot beta minus tan alpha by cot alpha minus tan beta. So in these two cases, I am going to change cot alpha, cot beta. 1 by tan beta minus tan alpha, 1 by tan alpha minus tan beta. In numerator, we are getting 1 minus tan alpha tan beta by tan beta. Directly you can write it. Simply that is a by b minus c means a minus b into c, bc by b. A minus bc by b. Like this you can write it. So like this 1 minus tan alpha, 1 by tan alpha minus tan beta means 1 minus tan alpha tan beta by tan alpha. Now this denominator is reciprocal, tan alpha 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, these two are cancelled, so 1 by tan beta means cot beta tan alpha, so tan alpha into cot beta, that is RHS. In this question, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, then show that P square minus 1 by P square plus 1 equal to sin theta. This is the question. We can do it in different methods also here. I am going to take linear, that is elimination method. I am going to take. See, in this case, I am going to take given secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. Means already we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Identity, second identity. So secant theta minus tan theta, secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1. So this value is P, already it is given. So that secant theta minus tan theta into P equal to 1. So secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. This is second, if you take this is 1. Now you are going to solve these two equations, one time addition, one time subtraction. So if you take 1 plus 2 equations, 1 plus 2, so secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. If you are adding, these two are adding, sir. So what we get by adding tan theta will be cancelled. 2 secant theta equal to P plus 1 by P. So that 2 secant theta equal to P plus 1 by P means P square plus 1. P square plus 1 by P. You can take it, this one is a 3, no problem. Next one is again we are taking secant theta. Otherwise you can put this secant theta value, in this case we get tan theta also. Like that also we can go. Here secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta, this is P and this is 1 by P. Now subtract. So by subtraction, so 1 minus P or minus 2, sorry. First equation, second. So after subtraction we get this is negative and this is positive and negative. So these two are cancelled. 2 tan theta equal to P minus 1 by P. After subtraction, changing of signs. So here 2 tan theta equal to P square minus 1 by P. This is 4. Now what we are going to do? 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 because P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. That's why. So otherwise this P also come this place, we can take it. It is not a problem. So what happened here? See, if you write like this, I am going to write like this. 2P secant theta equal to P square minus 1. Here also 2P, P come here, 2P tan theta equal to P square minus 1. Sorry, this is P square plus 1, this is P square minus 1. This is 4 and this is 3. This P come this side means 2P secant theta equal to P square plus 1. And this P come this side means 2P tan theta equal to P square minus 1. Now 4 divided by 3. So P square minus 1 by P square plus 1 equal to. We are going to extract this P square minus 1 value and P square plus 1 value. So that this is P square minus 1, 2P tan theta by 2P secant theta. These two are cancelled. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. You can write it. Otherwise tan theta by secant theta equal directly you can write sin theta. Otherwise you write 1 by cos theta. These two are cancelled. Sin theta by 1 means sin theta. So this is the answer. So this is one method. Some people are doing P square, finding the P square value and add 1. After that P square value again we add subtract minus 1. We get a different answers and divided we get sin theta value. That is another method. So this is the small method what we are doing. So for what I did, secant square theta minus 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, taking the identity. So this to a minus b into a plus b, already a plus b value is given, p come this place 1 by p, secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p. So secant theta plus, so I am going to use these two equations, by adding we get 2 secant theta. After that 2 secant theta equal to p square plus 1 by p, that p come this place 2p secant theta equal to p square plus 1, because I want p square plus 1 value. Next one is subtraction. After adding, again I am going to take subtraction. So secant subtraction, secant will be cancelled. So 2 tan theta equal to p square minus 1 by p. That means 2p tan theta equal to p square minus 1. After divided by these two, we get 2p tan theta by 2p secant. 2p cancel. So we get sin theta. This is 25th question. In this question, show that tan square alpha minus tan square beta equal to cos square beta minus cos square alpha by cos square beta cos square alpha, and sin square alpha minus sin square beta equal to cos square beta into cos square alpha. So simple, we are going to change into sin by cos. After taking the LCM, we get these answers. Please see solution. LHS we are taking tan square alpha minus tan square beta equal to sin square alpha by cos square alpha minus sin square beta by cos square beta. So cos square alpha into cos square beta. Otherwise you can interchange, no problem. After that, sin square alpha into cos square beta minus cos square alpha into sin square beta. So first question answer is cos square. So you are going to take this sin into, convert into cos. So 1 minus cos square alpha into cos square beta minus cos square alpha into 1 minus cos square beta. Denominator is same, cos square alpha into cos square beta. No need to change because the denominator is same. After multiplication, cos square beta cos square alpha into cos square beta minus cos square 1s are cos square alpha minus into minus plus cos square alpha cos square beta whole by cos square alpha into cos square beta. So after removing the sin and sin here, converting 1 minus cos square 1 minus cos square beta like this. After multiplication we get this answer. So these two are cancelled. So our answer is cos square beta minus cos square alpha by cos square alpha into cos square beta. That is first RHS. Second RHS, we are going to convert these two better. 1 minus sin square beta minus 1 minus sin square alpha by cos square alpha into cos square beta. Cos square alpha into cos square beta. So after removing the brackets, 1 minus sin square beta minus 1 plus sin square alpha by cos square alpha into cos square beta. Like this it will be. Now here 1 and 1 will be cancelled. So we get sin square alpha minus sin square beta by cos square alpha into cos square beta. Like this, from this answer say we are going to extract this answer. Otherwise from here again we are going to start changing the cos, and here cos we get sin square alpha minus sin square beta also. Okay. In these two questions, show that cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. So if you see this type of questions, you must understand algebraic identities. A cube plus B cube. a cube plus b cube forms. So we are taking LHS part. Here cos power 6 theta plus sin power 6 theta equal to cos square theta whole cube sin square theta whole cube. 3 2s are 6, like this. So I split these powers into 2 into 3, 2 into 3, that is like this. This is now a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is one form. Another one, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This is another. So there are two forms are there. Which is the easier you are going to take, that is main decision. If you take this one, little bit of problem. Directly we can take this one also. It is not a problem. So either this or this. So both are correct. Both are we are going to take, this part will come. The thing is that which one is the good. So I am going to take this part now. So cos square theta whole cube, in the place of a I wrote cos square theta now. Sin square theta whole cube. In the place of b I am writing sin square. So cos square theta plus sin square theta whole cube minus 3 into cos square theta sin square theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta, like this. Now this is 1 cube minus 3 cos square theta sin square theta into 1, because this part also 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. This is also 1. So finally 3 cos square theta sin square theta. You can utilize this one also, but you can extract. You are going to extra work will be there while you are doing these sums. Now in this case, this is a power 4 is there. That's why LHS part cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta equal to you can write cos square theta whole square sin square theta whole square, a square minus b square again. So a plus b cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta. See, a square minus b square, a minus b, a minus b, a plus b. So this part is 1. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. So answer is our answer is cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is the first answer. Now we are going to change this part in this part. So how can we change? So remove the cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So cos square theta plus में we are going to write 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So we get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is first one. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta place में you are going to sin square theta rechange again. 1 minus 2 into 1 minus cos square theta. So we get 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 cos square theta. Minus into minus plus 2 cos square theta. So minus here minus 1. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus. I am going to take this part. Again we can come back. You are going to change sin square also, no problem. You can take cos square. If you take the cos into convert into sin means this answer will come. If you are going to change sin into cos means second answer will come. So either cos or sin. You can do up to here. This is the final. After that you are going to change the sin and sin to cos, cos to sin. So there are two answers are there. That's why. In this question, show that 3 into sin x plus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x show that 3 into sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sine power 6x plus cos power 6x equal to 13. This is the question. So we are going to take 3 parts, separate. We are going to extract the answers. Finally we are going to add, we get 13. Here LHS side, I am going to take 3 sin x minus cos x whole power 4. That means 3 into sin x minus cos x whole square whole power 2. So 3 into, this is sin x minus cos x whole square means sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x whole square. So 3 into 1 minus 2 sin x cos x whole square. A minus b whole square again. This is a minus b whole square. Again we get this part is 1 minus 2 sin x cos x whole square. Again this is a minus b whole square. Again you write 1 square means 1 plus 4 sin square x cos square x minus 2 into 2 4 sin x cos x. So finally you can get like this, 3 plus 12 sin square x cos square x minus 12 sin x cos x. This is first one we are going to take. In second part, 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square. This means a minus b whole square. So 6 into sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. So this part is 1. So 6 into 1 plus 2 sin x cos x. That means 6 plus 12 sin x cos x. This is 2. And the third one is 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. We are taking. Already we completed in before sums sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. Same like that only. Here 4 into sin square x whole cube cos square x whole cube. This is 4 into a plus b whole cube. That means sin square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3 into ab sin square x cos square x into a plus b sin square x plus cos square x. So here I am using a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. This formula I am using. So 4 into 1 cube minus 3 sin square x cos square x. This is 1. That's why I am not writing here 1. That's all. So this is 1 cube means 1, 4 ones are 4 minus 12 sin square x cos square x. This is the third one we are taking. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is the first answer? Is 3 plus 12 sin square x cos square x minus 12 into sin x cos x. This is the first one. Second one is this one, 6 plus 12 sin x cos x. Third one is 4 minus 12 sin square x cos square x. So please see, after adding these two are cancelled, these two are cancelled. So for finally we get 3 plus 6 plus 4, that is 13. 3 plus 6 plus 4, 13. First observe the question. This is a minus b whole power 4. This is a plus b whole square. That is in the form of another form of a cube plus b cube form. So first you extract this one, a minus b whole square. So that first of all, sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x, that is 1. So 1 minus 2 sin x cos x whole square. Next 3 into this one. After that we get 3 plus 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So sin square x cos square x sin x cos x, like this. Next one is 6 into sin x plus cos x. So this is a plus b whole square. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1, 2 sin x cos x. So 6 into 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Same as this is a cube plus b cube form. I am using a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b form. So 4 into 1 cube minus 3 sin square is cos square x. So 4 minus 12 sin square is cos. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you are adding all the cancels, so we get 3 plus 4 plus 6, 3 plus 4 plus 6, that is 13 will come. In this question, solve cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2 by sin square theta equal to 1. Solve means value of theta we are going to find out. So solution is like this. Cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2 sin square, this denominator go to here, so sin square theta will be there. After that, cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2 1 minus cos square theta. Now the total question is in the form of cos squares. Cos, totally cos. So this cos square theta plus cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So these two are come inside this left hand side, transposing. So 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 will be there. So 2 1s are 2, so we are going to split this middle term. 2 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So 2 cos theta is the common. So cos theta minus 1. Here minus 1 common, cos theta minus 1. So cos theta minus 1, cos theta minus 1. So cos theta minus 1 common. So remaining parts are cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 1. 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So like this it will come. So we are going to take cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So cos theta equal to 1. So cos theta equal to cos 90. Cos 0, sorry. Cos 0 is 1. So theta value is 0 degrees. Here cos theta, 2 cos theta equal to 1. Cos theta equal to half. Now cos 60 degrees, so that theta equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Here we are going to create a quadratic form. After factorization, we are getting cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, cos theta equal to 1. So cos theta equal to cos 1 means cos 0, 1. So that theta equal to 0 degrees. Cos 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 cos theta equal to 1. Cos theta equal to half. So cos 60 is half. So that theta equal to 60. In this question, solve cos theta by 1 by sin theta. Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 4. So we are going to extract again here theta value. In this case, so cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by, I am writing again, so sin theta, 1 plus sin theta equal to 4. Here I am common, this cos theta is the common. So 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta equal to 4. So cos theta, after taking these two, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to 4. So sin theta cancel. So here 1 plus 1 2 cos theta, this cos theta by 1 minus sin square theta equal to 4. Here 2 cos theta by cos square theta equal to 4. You can cancel it. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So here cos theta by cos theta into cos theta equal to 2. These two are cancelled. 1 by cos theta means secant theta equal to 2. Secant theta equal to 2. In that secant theta table, if you see that secant theta table, secant theta equal to secant 60. So theta value is 60 degrees. Theta value is 60 degrees. You can do like this. So first to solve this entire thing, because they are asking solvation. So we are going to find out what is the theta value. Okay. In this question, solve cos theta by 1 plus cosecant theta plus cos theta by cosecant theta minus 1 equal to 2. So here cos theta by, I am writing like this, cosecant theta plus 1 plus cos theta by cosecant theta minus 1 equal to 2. Cos theta will be common. So we get 1 by cosecant theta plus 1 by cosecant theta minus 1 equal to 2. Again cos theta, these two are cosecant theta minus 1 plus cosecant theta plus 1 by a plus b into a minus b, cosecant square theta minus 1 square, that is 1. Now 1 1 will be cancelled. Cosecant square theta minus 1 means cot square theta. Here 2 cosecant theta. So 2 cos theta into cosecant theta by, finally we get here cot square theta equal to 2, like this. So this two will be cancelled, because after transposing we get cos theta into cosecant theta means already in trigonometric forms you know that cos theta into cosecant theta is cot theta, because cos theta into cosecant theta equal to cos theta into 1 by sin theta, that is cot theta, sin cos theta by sin theta. So that cot theta by cot theta into cot theta, cot square theta na, cot theta into cot theta, that equal to 1. Don't forget 2 1s are 2 1s are, here 1 will be there. So these two are cancelled. 1 by cot theta equal to 1. It is nothing, you can send this one, otherwise tan theta equal to 1. So tan theta equal to tan 45. So theta value is 45. So this is method we are going to do. In these questions we are going to eliminate theta now. Before sums we are doing find the tan theta, that is theta values in before questions. Theta means solvation. Now here elimination. So elimination of theta means, see this x equal to 2 cosecant theta, y equal to 2 cot. So we are going to think about the relation between cosecant and cot. So cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So x by 2 equal to cosecant theta, y by 2 equal to cot theta. The relation between the cosecant and the cot is x by 2 whole square equal to cosecant square theta, y by 2 whole square equal to cot square theta. So we are going to take the part squaring on both sides. So what is the formula? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. That means that equal to 1 actually. So we can write x by 2 whole square minus cosecant square means x by 2 whole square, y by 2 whole square equal to 1, which is x power 2 by 4 minus y power 2 by 4 equal to 1. So LCM is same, x square minus y square by 4 equal to 1. So x square minus y square equal to 4. Actually this type of parametric forms of coordinate geometry, in coordinate geometry, these type of questions will come. So we are going to take this x equal to secant theta, y equal to b tan theta. We are going to draw the graphs and everything. In this case also same. So the relation between secant and tan is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So x by a, solution, x by a equal to secant theta, y by b equal to tan theta. So secant square theta minus, you can write like this also, tan square. So secant plus में x by a whole square, y by b whole square equal to 1. So x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. You can leave like this. It's not a problem. So this is another form of elimination of theta. In these two questions, observe these two. X equal to cos theta plus sin theta, y equal to cos theta into sin theta. So, what formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. First you take this x equal to cos theta plus sin theta. So, squaring on both sides. So, x square equal to cos theta plus sin theta whole square. So cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta. This part is 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta, that means cos theta sin theta means y. So 2y. So x square equal to 1 plus 2y. So removing the elimination of theta like this. In this case, see, a plus b is there, a minus b is there. First to understand this is the part of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So if we are adding, we get other answers also. So please see, x equal to solution cos theta plus sin theta and y equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Squaring on both sides. So what happened here? And add. So x square equal to cos theta plus sin theta whole square, y square equal to cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Cos theta minus sin theta whole square. If we are adding x square plus y square equal to cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 into a square plus b square. So that here 2 into cos square theta plus sin square theta. You can expand it. 2ab will be cancelled. So 2 into cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. So 2 common. So finally we get this answer. Otherwise you can utilize, because time saving only. If you know that formula, immediately write the formula. In examinations, formula compulsory. What method you are doing, you must show that method. I am doing this method, so that I am using. While using this formula, we get this answer like this. So that the examiner will understand which method you are doing. So 2 into cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 2 into 1, that is 2 is the answer. So what is the 2? X square plus y square equal to 2. X square equal plus y square equal, because this is from here we are going to start. So that answer is 2. So we get x square plus y square equal to. In this question, we are going to remove the theta. X equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta, y equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. So solution, x equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta y equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. First of all, we are going to do squaring on both sides and add. So we are going to add these two. X square equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square, y square equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. I am writing here like this: x square equal to a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus 2ab a minus b square. This is a square cos square theta b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Add, because we are adding, so these two are cancelled. So x square plus y square equal to, this a square will be common, so sin square theta plus cos square theta, b square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. These two are cancelled. So a square into 1, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, b square into 1, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So finally we get x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. This is the final. So removing the theta like this. This question also like 37th question, before question. So please try yourself. The answer also same: x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. Okay, thank you.